G'day guys, I'm here at the Melbourne Park Tennis Centre in Melbourne for the Australian Institute of Professional Photography Awards. Part of the awards is a trade show, and of course Fuji are here showing off the brand new Fuji 200mm f2 and the 8-16, which I'm just going to have a little bit of a play with and give you my initial thoughts. First of all, coming from my Nikon background, I was used to walking around with a 300mm 2.8, and this 200 f2 does seem a little bit lighter than the 300 2.8, so which is really great. It's a gorgeous looking lens, nice big front element, which is fantastic, and of course giving you a 300 f2 equivalent on the APS-C bodies, which is such a beautiful focal length and would be perfect for a tennis match. Unfortunately there's nothing going on here today, so I'm just going to do some shots of the city in the background and just have a bit of a look and get an idea of what the lens is like to work with. First impressions, the autofocus is super quick and really snappy, just focusing in close and then to a distant object. It's super responsive, so that's something that's really fantastic. It is a pre-production model, so unfortunately I can't show any of the photos from it. As soon as the new production models are released and I can get my hands for a bit of a play, I'm going to do a test on it, so give you a bit more of an idea of what the lens is like for IQ. So we're going to switch over to the 8-16 and test that out now. Seriously can't wait to get my hands on the production model of this. 8mm is astounding. It's super wide. I haven't used anything this wide on my Fuji before, so I'm looking forward to giving that a really good test. Distortion seems really great if you've got the camera parallel to your subject. You don't get any sort of bending of verticals, which is fantastic. So they've done a really good job with distortion. Obviously, as you tilt the camera up or down, you start to get that perspective exaggeration, which can really work for some subjects. So from a point of view of a wide-angle travel lens for landscape, all that sort of stuff, this lens looks really fantastic. So thanks for joining me on this little first look at the 8-16 and the 200 f2 from Fuji. Thanks for joining me from Melbourne Park for the AIPP Awards, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, ciao for now.